What's up, fam juice? It's your boy, Dragon20 Hazy here, and today we're gonna be walking around Hazewater's yard. Well, guys, let's turn some new corners. Haha, I succeeded.
No, you didn't.
Some beautiful bushes and some leaves.
Ah, what the frick?
Why are you digging in their leaves, dude? Oh wait, this is your house.
Yeah. I always find interesting stuff in here.
Oh, you do?
Yes. One time I found a fidget spinner.
No way.
Yes. This one right here. That's why the bearing thing's on.
Oh, that makes sense.
But he's still scratched and everything, so.
Hey, can you hold the camera and point at the leaves while I look through them?
There's gotta be at least one more.
One more what?
First round.
I could have sworn I saw one earlier.
Here, let me look. What? You're a dragon. Oh, what the? I found one.
No, you didn't. No,
yes, I did. Yes, I did.
This is like a new trend for Dragon29. This is our third fidget spinner we found. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's get in the sun and look at this thing. It is missing its thumb pads and a bearing. Wow.
That's pretty scary.
This is a low-key fidget spinner. Here, take the camera, point it at me. So, yeah.
Let's find a diamond right here.
What the? Is that pink diamond? Because she's dead. Well, you can cut the video now. Bye.
See?
Okay, so I am here at the park filming for FPS, but I see this sand digger thing that could totally be an arcade game. Excuse the noise in my background. Annoying cousin too. So like what you would do is like you pull the lever and stuff and like would dig. Oops, I dropped it. Here, let me and gently until you find something in this thing. Kind of be pretty fun. Like imagine my hand is a scooper and you would scoop and you wouldn't find anything until like you'd scoop and oh my. I need to go fix this thing up. I'll be right back. Another working fidget spinner, really? Wow. That's pretty cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, I just filmed a video where I found a bag, and I just stepped on something. Is that two bearings? Okay, there's someone dropping bearings. Cool. I just got back from filming the bag video. I found a mysterious bag that someone told me about, and so you know, well, we found two bearings. Does this count as part of the Lost Fidget Spinner series? I'm gonna say it does not, because these might be skateboard bearings, but it probably does count as Fidget Spinner series, I guess. Yeah, we found the bag right there, so there can't be anything on it. Oh, shouldn't he? I know. I would have seen it. I stepped on something. Was that? No! No! I said I was done with these. That's fidget spinner. Oh, it looks like the one I found the bearings to. Oh. Wow. Okay. It's hard to do this. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I dropped it. Here. Let me just grab the other bearing and put it in. Lost fidget spinner. I said it probably doesn't count part of the series, and I wasn't really gonna put it in there. In fact, I probably wasn't even gonna upload this, but I just found the. Now we get all three bearings. No thumb pads. No thumb pads though. But almost pretty big. Is it a yo-yo? Is that like a mini yo-yo? It's a bright yellow like mini rolly. Are those? If this are those thumb pads? Those are thumb pads. I'm putting them on off camera. It's like, this might be the first time we found another. This is like, oh, we found a lot of complete fidget spinners on this show, but the camera's weird. I'm putting it on my there. Wow, lost fidget spinner indeed. Thank you guys for finding, and see you on the next lost fidget spinner.